having industrial experience of about 40 years and having worked with several bosses and having recruited hundreds of people, I can with some authority say that what is that a recruiter looks into the candidate while recruiting him for accomplishing a task. I have recruited many chartered accountants, many engineers, many MBAs. But it was hard to find few qualities which an employer or a recruiter would like to see in that candidate. What are those qualities which somebody looks into you? Are you bubbling with enthusiasm? Enthusiasm in mind, in body, in spirit. Are you confident? Do you have ability to convert your theoretical experience into action? Do you have humility? Are you action oriented? MBAs, when we started recruiting MBAs, we were very, very apprehensive because we found out that they are very good in making good presentation. But when it used to come to execute, there were some shortcomings. They were good in making theoretical aspect of a task, but look, that theory must be coupled with practical so that a job is carried out. So MBAs these days, they come from all types of institutes. But let me be very honest and find out how many of them do really turn into the success. How many of them can show, to the world that yes, they have done the MBA course from this institute or that institute. And it is also true that it is not necessary that an MBA or a chartered accountant would be able to, or an engineer would be able to make some difference only when he or she is qualified from the best of the institute. It is important that how the grooming has happened, how that leadership ability has been inculcated in them, whether in the course of the curriculum, whether the professors, the mentors, whether they have guided them properly to take the challenge of their practical life. Has it all happened? If not, then the institute will never play a role. The MBAs of those institutes are the good material for the practical field where the mentors have taught them the nuances, the small things of their practical life, like computer training, the tally, the personality development, the confidence building, the physical fitness. All these things probably are not being taught in most of the institutes. But it is very, very necessary for you to find out that who is that institute, who will be, teaching, who will be carrying through you with all these activities so that you make yourself a complete person, a person who is able to take the challenge in the life and is able to make a difference in the world, in the corporate world. An MBA is a master of business administration. Now when I go to a doctor, I look at the doctor that when I talk about my illness, doctor will be able to give me a cure. When I am going to an engineer, I understand that he or she is able to carry out the engineering job very well. When I go to MBA, who is supposedly to be the master of business administration, why should not I look towards him to solve all my business administration related problems? If this happens, then probably the meaning of MBA is valid, otherwise not. Therefore, one has to be very, very careful in selecting the institute where he or she wants to pursue the studies, so that after doing the course, that person is so confident, is so energetic, so bubbling with confidence that any kind of interview, any kind of task, any kind of job, does not make any difference to that person, and the carrying out of the job or task is very smooth.